Today, we are going to talk about redeeming e-gift cards, sort of specifically Target e-gift cards, but the steps that we're doing for these Target e-gift cards are going to be very similar to other sorts of, store-specific e-gift cards, or even, like Visa e-gift cards that you might get otherwise. These are steps that you can take with other e-gift cards as well. So today we're going to talk about how to redeem a Target e-gift card in person in a store, but also how to redeem a Target e-gift card online. So at Target.com, or if you have the Target app, how you would use a e-gift card to pay for an order that you're doing online as well. For those who don't know, an e-gift card it's basically just like a virtual version of a, physical gift card that you might give someone. It can be directly sent to someone's email. They can actually, for different kinds of cards now, you can text them to people too, and you can use them either online or in a store if it's a card for a place that has like a physical location. So like Target, Starbucks, some of these. Amazon, I know that they do have some physical locations, but you'd probably be using that one just online. And once you know the steps to redeem these cards, they can be really convenient. They're safe, like you won't physically lose them in the way that you might another gift card, and you can keep track of them and they're balanced a little bit more easily. They're also almost kind of instantaneous for the person who sends them to you. Yesterday, as an example, for this class, I actually sent myself a gift card just so I could show you the process. And I think from when I put the gift card in the cart and checked out to when I received the email was less than 3 minutes. They're really convenient in that way too. And you can send them from long distances without having to worry about things like the mail. That's a nice feature. So how do you access an e-gift card? So today we're going to focus on e-gift cards that are sent by email. The process is going to be really similar for Target e-gift cards and other e-gift cards that are sent by text. But for right now, we're just going to focus on email. So if you know that you have received a Target e-gift card or e-gift card from anyone, just check your email first. You might just see it at the top of your email like this. So here's mine. It says Target. You got a Target e-gift card from Francis. Hopefully, they'll just show up at the top of your email. Everybody's email is a little different, and sometimes things get sorted kind of funny. So if you ever know that you have been sent an e-gift card, but you don't see it, like someone sent it to you, but you don't see it, you can always go up here to where it says search in mail. And even if you're not using Gmail, there'll be this feature up there as well. Like if you know it's from Target, type in Target. If you know the name of the person who sent it to you, type that in and press enter. And that should search your email for, the latest emails you've gotten that have like the name of the store in it. So this is a tip just for searching your email for anything, really. But this can be really helpful if you know that you have a gift card in there somewhere and it might have gone into like a promotions folder or some other place and you're just not seeing it. So if you know there's a Target gift card in there somewhere, type in Target and it should pop up for you if it's not already there when you open up your email. All right, so once you've located that email, you're going to open it. And for the Target e-gift card, you should see a screen that looks something like this. They let you customize the way the gift card looks, just like if you were at the store and you can buy different ones, like for different holidays and happy birthday and that sort of thing. I just got a kind of any old time one with cute dogs. You're going to see that. You're going to scroll down and you should see a button that says access my gift card. You're going to click on that. So it says for card details and to save it to your account, and click on access my gift card. So scroll down, access my gift card. All right, now you have some options for, how you're going to use this. If you want to use the gift card in the store, so you go up to the cashier to pay for your items, what you're going to do is just go ahead and open this email again, click access my card, and you'll see there's a barcode here at the bottom. It's going to be right under where you see the card, but it'll be, like a full barcode when you have it on there. And you should be able to just show it to the cashier and they can scan it and it will be applied to your purchase. So, I buy $50 worth of things, use my $10 gift card, I'll have to pay for the balance on it, but that $10 will be covered. If you're using one of the self-service registers at Target, it should prompt you to scan your barcode at some point. So when you're doing the payment method, it should prompt you for a gift card, and then you can scan the barcode in that way too. All right, so then if you scroll down past the barcode, you're going to see an account number and PIN number. So this is similar to if you had a physical gift card, the thing that you scratch off, the two numbers on the back. And this is kind of like a backup. If for some reason the barcode on there, the cashier can't scan it or something, the lighting on your phone is wrong and it's not letting you scan the barcode, you can always enter the account number and the PIN number, and that should connect your payment to that particular gift card. So that's kind of like a backup in case the barcode isn't working. shipping. Okay, so then if you want to use that e-gift card to buy something online, but you don't have a Target account, so you don't have to have a Target account to use one of these gift cards to buy online. It can be helpful sometimes, but I'll show you that step next, but you don't have to. So let's say you go to the Target website or the Target app, you put a bunch of things in your cart. When you go to checkout, what you're going to do is press add. And I've actually already added this gift card in here, but this is what you'll do. So you say add next to gift cards when it's asking you for payment type, and then it'll give you this screen on the right that has the card number and the access number. So you want to enter what we just looked at, this card, this account number and access number. That's what it means by card number. So right here, you want to enter that in there, and that should link your gift card there as the form of payment, the first form of payment. If you have a balance left, you'll obviously add another form of payment for the rest of it. But if you put in your card number, your access number, and click add gift card, it should show up here. So however much it is, and the ending couple of digits of your card. And then it will be applied to your purchase. Make sure that you have this turned, I'll show you this later on too. You have this turned on to green. So take it from the left to the right, it'll like turn green. That means that that's being applied to your purchase. So just to make sure that you're using your gift card if you want to, okay? All right, if you do have a Target account already, or if you want to make one, you can actually just, when you go to look at when it says access my card, you just keep scrolling down and you say add to my account. So if you're on your phone or something where you may have logged into Target before, it might just go to your account automatically, or you'll be prompted to log into your account. And once your gift card is added to your account, it's automatically going to show up as a form of payment when you go to make an online purchase. So it'll be, when you see all the options for payment, you'll see that list that we saw in the last slide that says gift cards, and you'll have your gift card in there. And then again, just turn it to green like this to make sure that you're using your gift card if you want to. And if you're in there and you don't want to use a gift card for a particular purchase, you can turn it off and save that for another time. You don't have to apply it to your purchase, but if you want to, that's how you do it. And then again, you'll have a second payment type if your order is greater than your gift card. Okay, if you need to check a Target e-gift card balance, if you have an account with Target, you can usually just go in there and you'll see it in the payment forms like we just did. So there was that $10 gift card just sitting there. If you have multiple gift cards, there'll just be a list of the balances that you have left. But if you don't, and you would like to just check, and you can do this with a physical Target card as well, but also with an e-gift card, you can go to this website and enter your card number and your access number. It would tell you your balance. So if you have any Target cards sitting around or e-gift cards from Target that you don't know the balance on, this is the way to figure it out. Okay, a couple of things to remember. If you do that step where you say add it to your Target account, so if you have a Target account and you add it to your account, just know that no one else is going to be able to add it to their account at that point. So just make sure you're adding it to your own account. If you're not logged on to anyone else's account on your phone or your computer. If you do try and add it to another account after that, you're going to get a message that says your gift card cannot be added at this time. So it can only be connected to one account at a time. So just make sure you're adding it to your own account. And that's a good protective measure too. So you might want to do that like sooner rather than later when you get one of these e-gift cards. It aligns it with your account as opposed to anyone else's, and it sort of protects it from being used by anyone else. That's another one of the benefits of having a e-gift card as opposed to a physical one. And then, Target gift cards are solely for use at Target stores. You can use them to buy just about anything except other specific gift cards. So like if they have other gift cards in the store and you can't use the gift card to buy a gift card, the major limitation, the only limitation I saw there. And like I said, even though we focused on Target gift cards today, a lot of these steps are going to be really similar for a lot of different kinds of specific gift cards. Like, so for different kinds of stores, it's going to be a very similar process. So if you figure out how to do this, you're in really good shape to redeem any kind of e-gift card that you may get in the future. And some people prefer to get the physical ones. That's fine too. We're not, passing any judgment here. I just want to make sure, that you feel comfortable doing this if you ever receive them otherwise, or maybe in the future you will find it helpful to receive them digitally. So just as an option, right? And, you never know when someone might send you an e-gift card just because you're fabulous and you'll have to redeem it.